Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinamasta Institute of Technology, Rajgrat, Saptori, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Kirman University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am health person. I have a government job. And if talk about my hobbies, searching on anything to make a new friend, I have also YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is English Skills. That's all about me. Short introduction, my side.
That's a nice introduction. And you are a health worker as a government employee. Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
I think we are in the same shoe. I am also a government employee. So I will tell you something about myself. Okay. As you know, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. By profession, I am a government teacher. I blessed with a kid. And you know, I am from India, Rajasthan. And I have a also buddy YouTube channels. So in nutshell, it's my story, sir. So we both are the government employees. So are you enjoying your job?
Sorry?
Are you enjoying your job?
Yes. I am enjoying a lot.
Okay. And no, sometimes when people enter in the government sector, so they have a craving, they have a longing. Oh, what if I am in a private job? I can earn some more and I can do whatever I want. So these kind of things sometimes in our subconscious mind. So do you have any feeling like that?
Sorry, once again repeat.
So sometimes we entered in the government sector. That time we think about the private sector. Oh, what if I am in the private sector? I can earn more and I can do whatever I want. Because as a government employee, we are compelled to follow rule and regulation of government. And each and every time when the government change, our policy is changed totally. So what is your take on?
Okay, that's your question means you are worker of government job. Sometimes you are any persons work in private job. So they are earning a lot of money. And you are government, so it is the rules and regulation of government salary is less. So what do you want and what's your opinion? That's your question.
Yes.
Got it? Okay, I understood. Yes. So it is the matters. Many persons think giving of money a lot. Yes. If I earn a lot of money within 5 years, 10 years, it is sufficient for me for on our life. But I would like to say government job is good. Here, government means you will get pension if your job due time is spent, and after then you will get pension. But you work in private job. Yes, you work in private job, you earn a lot of money. But there is life is not secure. Anytime you remove there.
Yeah.
But the government
fire you.
you have government job fixed. Yes, your life is secured. There is no any obstruction, no any like a different kinds of problem don't come there. In private sector, a lot of problem. One thing, you earn money through a lot of, you are happy sometimes, but in your future is not good. You are not happy. So if you want to secure, if you want to for long life happy, so you have to need government job.
Yes, sir. But nowadays we can say in India, the after the 24, we are the government employees are not. They will not pay pension after the retirement. They are in a new pension scheme that is called NPS, and they don't pay their own money. They deduct from their salary. So it is, we can say, the irony. Even their lifetime, they get only 40 to 60% money. In India, these kind of the situation now, and in private jobs, people are earning lucrative salary, and they have some freedom. They are not compared to 9 to 5 job. They work from home and they take care of their family. There is a no need to go outside, rush, and there is a no worry about the commute here to there. And so, in that manner, I would say some
Yes, yes.
extent, no, private job is better than government job. It depends on the policy of the government, what kind of the favor they are giving, which sector they are giving the favor. Yes, government job earlier they have the security of the pension. Some extent they secure their health also, but nowadays the things are, I think, most of the government are deprived from the facilities. Even some sector in the army, they are also deprived from the facilities. No, only we can say the some paramilitary forces, they deprive from the pension scheme and health schemes, their children's educations. Earlier government provide all facilities, health and educations and pensions. But nowadays they change their policy, and according to, I think we have to change our mentality also. Now the days gone when we only run after the government jobs. So we have to think twice before entering the government sectors. I think the no, in private sector people are earning more money comparison to the government sector.
Yes, yes.
And I can say about in India. I don't know about the Nepal. So in Nepal, the government are no provide any pension or health or education.
No, Nepal just provides pension. Yes, there is no education for children free of cost.
Even for army,
No.
even for the army.
Army sector is giving. Army
Yeah.
sector is giving quality education. Yes. With children, army department at this time is giving, which is army. That those son or daughter, they can read. Other depart not giving.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So, if you get chance to join as a private employee, and you are offers handsome amount of the money, so would you like to join to resign from your government job? No. You are crazy about only government jobs.
Only I choose government job because when I got job, so I have to prepared a lot of tiredness. We got that time. I have a lot of competition. And after then I exam passed.
Yes, yes.
That is
I feel
very
proud. Oh, I cracked that this or that examination, and I am a capable person, and I got selection. So much, so many aspirants. So we feel proud, and it boosts our confidence.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that is why you want to enroll yourself in the government job.
yes.
Okay, that's
Most of people want to government job. Here, government salary is less, but life is secure. So that's why most of people want to government job. And if those person get job, so don't anyhow they want to think I left government job.
okay, okay. That's nice. That's nice. So, what's your office time? How many hours do
Yes,
you work?
my office time is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 10 a.m. in the morning and 4 p.m. in the evening.
Okay. In every season, and do you have any change in your schedule according to season?
No, no, no. Every season,
Okay.
continuously.
Okay. But in India, I think though especially in the Rajasthan, we have a different schedules and timetable, doclet, we can say. In the summer season, the health workers, doctors, in hospital time 7 to 1 p.m. in the morning shift, and I think that in summer 9 to I think 5 4 p.m. I don't know exactly, but in India have fluctuate the time. It's not fixed.
Yes, I understood you. When means Nepal, if means winter seasons. Yes, winter seasons. 1 hour less. मतलब means 10 to 3 p.m. Only office start. Yes,
Do you know Hindi?
and yes, 10 to 3 p.m.
Okay.
अरे तू तो रसोईत का तो हम क्या बोले